There's a fire that rises within us when we are wronged. When someone betrays our trust. When they humiliate us in front of others. When they take from us something they were never entitled to, our dignity. Our peace. Our love. It's a deep burn. And everything inside screams for retaliation. To make them feel what we felt. To show them the same pain they gave us. To make them regret ever crossing us. That desire, that primitive cry for vengeance, it's natural. But it is not powerful. Because true power does not come from revenge. It comes from indifference. Seneca, the Stoic master of self-command, once wrote, "A great mind is above insults, injustice, and misfortune. To seek revenge is to admit you've been mastered, not by your enemy, but by your emotions. It is to let someone else's poor character reshape your own. It is to become enslaved to the very people who tried to break you." Weak men react. They fight battles that don't matter. They lash out because they can't bear the silence inside them. And in the process, they let their enemies control their minds, shape their decisions, and rewrite their destiny. But that is not the Stoic way. We don't play that game. We don't lower ourselves to the level of the undisciplined. We do not rage. We do not chase. We rise. We build. We evolve. And in doing so, we become untouchable. Here are 5 ways to reclaim your power without revenge, to overcome not by destroying others, but by becoming something they can never reach. 1. Master yourself, and you've already won. You want to break your enemy? Then show him that he cannot break you. The greatest revenge isn't found in shouting matches or clever insults. It's found in calm indifference, in the unshakable presence of a person who cannot be moved. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The best revenge is not to be like your enemy." When someone disrespects you, lies to you, cheats you, the question isn't what they did. The question is what you will become in response. Do you stoop to their level? Do you carry their actions like stones in your chest, replaying them endlessly? Or do you rise above, showing them, and yourself, that their attempts were meaningless? The man who is unaffected is the man who holds the real power. Because when your enemy sees you smiling, thriving, growing, when he sees that your peace wasn't even scratched by his chaos, he is forced to face the truth. He failed. 2. Success is the ultimate silence. While your enemies waste their energy trying to hurt you, you build, you sharpen, you level up, you stop looking back, and start building forward. And every step you take in silence becomes a thunder in their minds. Train your body, discipline your thoughts, create, build, rise. Let your results make the noise. Let your resilience become your voice. Epictetus reminded us, "Seek not the good opinion of others, seek only to be master of yourself." We do not respond to betrayal with bitterness. We respond with action, while they stay stuck in the past, consumed by their own bitterness. You will be walking calmly into the future. And the irony is brutal. Nothing hurts those who tried to break you more than watching you thrive without them. 3. Let time destroy them for you. You don't need to strike back. You don't need to get even. Because the truth is, life will do it for you. Time exposes everything. The liar is eventually caught in his web. The manipulator is eventually seen for who he is. The jealous are devoured by their own resentment. Those who harm others often dig their own graves. And they do it with the same shovel they once used to hurt you. You don't need to be there when karma visits. You don't need to wish it upon them. Just step back, let it unfold. The universe has its own justice, and its timing is precise. Let your revenge be your refusal to carry their poison. Let your peace be the mirror that reflects their collapse. Because when they look up one day and see that you have risen, while they are still trapped in their bitterness, they will be left with only one thing: regret. 4. Control is the real victory. Reacting in anger is easy. It's natural. It's human. But it's also a trap. The moment you let rage dictate your response, you've handed over the keys to your mind. You've given your enemy exactly what they wanted: control. Zeno, the founder of Stoicism, said, "Better to trip with the feet than with the tongue." You can recover from a stumble, but words spoken in anger can chain you for years. We do not fight for dominance through shouting. We win by not playing the game at all. So when they provoke you, stay silent. When they lie about you, remain still. When they insult you, remain unshaken. Let them burn in their own fire. You don't have to step into it. They will unravel trying to get a reaction from you. Meanwhile, you remain, like a mountain in a storm. Unbothered, untouched, undefeated. That's control. That's victory. 5. Indifference is the ultimate power. They expect you to rage. They want to see you broken. They want to hear your voice crack with anger. But what happens when you give them nothing? What happens when you respond not with hatred, but with nothing at all? No bitterness, no revenge, no pain, just calm, clarity, peace. Marcus Aurelius, once again, reminds us, the best revenge is to be unlike him who committed the offense. We do not carry grudges. We do not seek justice from people who are already lost. We rise above the noise, above the drama, above the need for approval. Because we let go, not because they deserve forgiveness, but because we deserve peace. Indifference is not coldness. It is power. It is knowing that nothing they do can touch who you are. It is the choice to walk away, not as a victim, but as someone too focused, too elevated, too free to waste time in the shadows. Final message: let them speak, let them scheme, let them try to pull you down. You don't need revenge, because you have something better. Freedom. The man who doesn't carry bitterness, who doesn't flinch at disrespect, who walks forward no matter what's behind him, that man has already won. So stay focused, stay disciplined, stay unshaken. And if this message resonates with you, like, subscribe, and join us on this journey of self-mastery, discipline, and unbreakable calm. You don't need to fight for power. You already have it, when you choose peace over vengeance.